So
Uh-huh.
now I'm following full-time trader. I'm a full-time trader. I'm 22 years old.
Great.
I'm earning more than an MBA graduate
Yeah.
in a day,
And
not in a month, in a day.
uh,
Whereas I have 80, maybe I'm having win rate of 82% of this account. Like I have
okay.
already made $7,000 this month and $1,000 today. Like it is almost $8,000 this month. Past 200k accounts. So it's been a very good thing. Trade AI, Trade
Yeah,
AI,
very
Trade
good.
Locker, and FunderPro made me epic. Epic. They are epic.
Welcome everybody to another Funder Trader interview. Today I'm here with Ruanit, who is currently a Funder Trader with us, and very happily today has taken another payout on his account. So looking forward to getting into the chat and seeing how his experiences with the brand have been, how his trading is going, and everything in between.
Yes.
Welcome today. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I've started my journey like 2 years back in trading. I have loaned many accounts, my real funds and my prop firm funds also. But right now I'm stable with all the funds. Like I'm trading with you since 2 months, 1 month, and I am right now funded like 200k one real funding, and
Mhm.
I am passing one more 200k funding, which is on stage two.
Amazing.
Uh, yeah, and more
And
about this thing. Yeah.
yeah, how have you found, I suppose, from the beginning of your journey, you've obviously come a long way. What were some of maybe the early mistakes that you were making that you've learned from?
I have not made any mistake. Like prop firms gave me a drawback. Many because they restricted my account. I have failed almost 60 accounts earlier.
My
60
goodness.
accounts and uh, maybe there will be 110 accounts, 100k account, 100k 10 accounts. Yes, mainly I am not having any problem with FunderPro till date. This was only my
Mm,
problem. I am following consistency rule. I have no problem with any rules and anything with the FunderPro. Everything is
mhm.
going well. I am using
Great.
Trade AI also for passing the accounts.
Mhm,
I am using like my price action plus Trade AI for
mhm,
mainly Trade AI is my confluence for the entry. One more confluence.
mhm,
Like I
mhm,
take three reasons for my entry, so the fourth reason is now Trade AI. So it is helping me very much. That like I have passed 200k accounts, so it's been a very good thing. Trade AI, Trade
yeah,
AI,
very
Trade
good.
Locker, and FunderPro made me epic. Epic. They are epic.
Yeah, very
Yes.
good. And so maybe in the beginning, what got you started on trading? How did you get into this ecosystem?
Yeah. Mainly, I was introduced to stock market, not to forex market. So when I joined some coaching centers like near stock market center institute or like that, so
Hmm.
they have introduced with forex trading and all that thing. So I got more interest in this because there is only buy sell, no future and options, no CE, no PE, no delta DK, all that thing which comes in future options trading. So it is
Hmm.
more difficult, more manipulated market and more like gambling mainly.
Hmm.
So I have shifted to this market, and mainly I
Okay,
trade only the two pairs, gold and GBP USD.
very good.
But I trade with very like much lots. Like I traded GBP USD today with 60 lots. So I have a proper risk management. I follow my risk management, so I don't have any problem to trade with big lots also. Like I have
Okay.
already made $7,000 this month and $1,000 today. Like it is almost $8,000 this month. So
Hmm.
I am following risk management. I can trade with many lots, big lots also.
Hmm.
Whereas I have 80, maybe I am having win rate of 82% of this account.
Okay, and I suppose maybe you could explain a little bit more about your trading strategy. How do you
Yeah,
approach your trades?
yeah. Mainly I trade like in pre-London and pre-New York session mainly. The
Hmm.
volume when pre-London comes, then volume market goes in one direction only. So I sit on like pre-London. If pre-London I have not got any trade, I go into London session. But London session is only about distribution of your trade, like TP hit or SL hit. And mainly I trade in pre New York because I got many good setups in pre New York, and I trade like top down analysis. I see daily wicks on daily. I see wicks on daily time frame. If there is a wick downside and the view is also bearish, so I take sales after taking three confluences like trade AI and all other three confluences which I see on the candles
Hmm.
on the chart. That's much. That is the much. Yes.
Okay, very good.
Is it making a sense?
And
Is it making a sense to you, or I am a beginner right now?
no, 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 that makes sense. And then I suppose in terms of your lot size, so obviously you're saying you're
Yeah,
taking quite large
big
trades.
lot. Yes,
How, I suppose, how exactly are you analyzing that to decide the lot size to place?
yes. Like you can see my today's trade, it was like before London Open. So the
Mm,
GB USD was going up. I was sure that it will come down when the session will open because it is at the top at the top in the market. Right now GPUSD at the top, so I can see that selling will come soon. So I entered with 20 lots. I have got some losses. I entered with more 20 lots, and then at the end, like my SL was something like 100 points, so I entered more with 20 lots, and SL is the same. I and then that it made a wick and gone down, and I closed
mhm,
the trade because I was not too pretty much sure about that trade because it is Monday. Monday markets are very slow and trappy. Also trap. It makes trap.
mhm, mhm.
Yeah. Mainly I trade on wicks. Like if it is going down and it makes a wick, it is a trap for sellers, and I look for a buy entry there. And if confluence is like trade AI show me the entry of buying, I will buy it with proper SL and everything. I have it. I have it. I put SL on my every trade.
To then zoom out and I suppose look at yourself. Is trading your full time job? Do you work on
Yeah.
trading all the time, or do you?
Yes, this is my full-time job. Like I have done my graduation uh,
Mhm,
previous year in bachelor's in business administration. So
mhm.
now I'm following full-time trader. I'm a full-time trader. I'm 22 years old.
Great.
I'm earning more than an MBA graduate
Yeah,
in a day,
and
not in a month, in a day, like $1,000
amazing.
in a day.
Yeah.
Yes.
And yeah, and I suppose it'd be good to hear, how does that compare, I suppose, from where you are in the world? How does that compare to what you would be making as a graduate?
Like maybe graduate making like annually it will make 10,000 USD, and
Okay.
I'm making it in a week, less than a week.
Incredible.
Like if I have passed 200K account in 6 days, it is almost $28,000 in a week.
Hmm.
So, and I am passing two accounts. Like it's been almost 50,000 USD in 1 month, and
Hmm.
I've got losses also. So I've covered that also thing. So you can guess it approx 60,000 USD in a month, in a week. Sorry.
Hmm.
So,
Incredible.
but all that thing is was in a demo account, so I'm not counting it. That
Yeah,
the I will earn the real account that will be counted, but I have earned
of
it.
course. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah, yeah, yeah. Incredible. And I suppose for you then, going forward, what's your goal? How do you see continuing through?
yes. I have to manage. My dream is to manage your founder's account. My, I want to manage his money, personal
Yeah.
trading. Yeah, I have my dream. This is my dream. Nothing
Oh,
more
very
like
good.
that, because he was very supportive. Your team was also very supportive to me in the beginning also, like Felix or one more name I don't
Hmm.
know. They are very supportive to me. They motivated me and everything was going good with them.
Hmm.
And I am
Great.
your affiliate also, so I am making some sales also on monthly basis. Like I made, this was my first month with you, so I made $1,300 sales. That was good. And I have started one giveaways also for my community with you only.
Hmm.
FunderPro. Like it's
Great.
going well. It's a long journey. It's going well. It is starting and it's going well.
Uh-huh. Great. Maybe that's something that could be interesting because I know a lot of people um, are traders, and a lot of people feel like they're solo traders.
Mm.
However, I think everybody that's trading is in some community or another, because I think as a trader, you need that community. You need somebody to be there and
No,
talk to.
no, no, not like that. I think trading is, if you are trading alone, it is more good. Like you
Yeah,
can
you think so?
understand market. Yeah, I understand. I
Mm-hmm.
think this only because I'm trading from my home, from home only, from my
Mm-hmm.
room. I don't go anywhere to trade or like that. I only
Yeah.
solve your doubts and all that thing.
Okay.
That's the thing.
So a lot of people then say trading gets quite lonely. You don't feel that?
Like I trade only two hours a day. After I go
Mm-hmm.
to gym, go around, go like I go with my friends out. So it is not boring. It is very enjoyable thing. It's a mindset. You have to set your mindset according to your work. Like
Mm-hmm.
if you are going to a job, you are wasting 1.5 hours or 3 hours in traveling only. That's all. That also is boring thing only.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it is a mindset. It depends
Good.
on person to person nature. That's it.
And for you then, not having much of a community just yet, but obviously then looking at FunderPro and seeing how to be an affiliate and how to grow that community so that you can actually earn through that way. How are you approaching that?
I am approaching through my Instagram page. Like I'm running my ads on my page. Like I'm getting 30 to 40K views. Like that,
Mm-hmm.
I am growing. I am increasing my reaches, and they have all modifications like what you want. You want website visits, or what you want. You want sales or only profile visit. Then I selected that, and it's going well.
Mm-hmm. Great.
That's the thing. Like I have my links, so they are asking me from where you bought the from which company you took the fundings and all that. So I referred that they are referring more people, so they are using all my discount codes. This is only the I am earning from this thing. Like
Very
this,
good.
my English is not so
And
too good. My English is not too good. I You can understand it.
oh, no, it's perfect. It's perfect.
Okay.
We're able to have a full conversation here now, so it's great.
Yeah.
And so with that, then it seems like it's a very accessible thing that almost anybody watching could do, is to share their success on their channels and actually build another passive income.
Yes, but it is not very easy to make a passive income from trading. It is all they are showing all fake things.
Mm-hmm.
I tell the truth to the clients that trading is not easy enough. If you want to give proper 8 hours in early stages or some more time like 6 to 8 hours daily, if you can give, then you can go with it, and you have a good amount of backup with you. So I had a good amount of backup with me, like $5 to $10,000 in starting. So I have
Mm-hmm.
started the journey with that amount, and now it's going well. Like this is my journey. Like
Mm-hmm.
I have failed 60 accounts, so I have paid that 60 accounts money from my backup only. Now, if I don't have the backup, so it's very difficult to make it a passive income.
Yeah,
It's a full
yeah,
time
of
job.
course.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, that's enough for the day. I think we will meet next month again. Like
yeah,
20,000 USD payout. Okay, we will meet for that thing
yeah.
or
Is that
something
your
like that.
goal? Your goal is to hit
Mm,
20,000
This
payout.
is this is very small goal. I think if I am making 28,000 USD in a week, so I can make it easily
Mm-hmm.
20,000 USD. So I will
Fantastic,
meet you again, like with a good amount of payout
amazing.
next month.
Well, it was really nice
Okay,
chatting to you today.
thank you.
Best of
Bye
luck in the
bye.
rest of your trading. We'll talk
Thank you.
soon. Take care.
Okay,
Bye bye.
bye bye. Bye.